What's the process if you need more time to file your taxes? If you don't think you'll have enough time to file before the annual deadline, you'll need to make sure that you file for an extension so you aren't hit with penalties. But how do you do that? Well, keep watching to the end of this video and we'll answer that question and all of the important details in between. In this video, we'll cover what an IRS Form 4868 is, the extension deadlines, parts of the form, how to file Form 4868, and more. We're eForms, the world's largest online database of fillable legal forms, and we're here to help you navigate the legal and tax world with ease. To learn where you can grab your own tax extension form, click the link at the end of this video. First, what is the IRS's Form 4868 and what is it used for? An IRS Form 4868, also called the Application for Automatic Extension of Time to File U.S. Individual Income Tax Return, is used by those that need more time to file their federal income tax return. If you're filing a state tax extension, you'll need to request that separately. So how long of an extension does it give you? The deadline to file taxes every year is normally April 15th, but can change if the 15th falls on a weekend. Filling out Form 4868 for a federal tax filing extension allows taxpayers to postpone filing their taxes until approximately October 15th, but the date can also change slightly depending on weekends. If you're a U.S. resident or citizen taxpayer living outside of the U.S. on the date that taxes are due, you will automatically receive a 2-month extension for a tax return due date of June 15th on both filing time and payment, without the need to file a request. However, if you don't actually pay your taxes on time, you will still need to make interest payments during those 2 months. You can also use this form to extend your due date from June 15th to October 15th. So does this mean that I'm also exempt from payments? It doesn't. Payments for taxes are generally not allowed to be deferred. They will still be due by the April deadline and based on the previous year's earnings, even if an extension is granted. It's also important to note that both businesses and individuals can request an extension, but businesses will use Form 7004, and only the filing date is extended, not an extended time to pay taxes owed. Now it's time to go over the actual form itself. Form 4868 has 2 parts. Part 1, identifying information, and Part 2, income tax estimation. For the identifying information, the IRS will need the following: taxpayer's name or names if filing jointly, address, and social security number or numbers. For the income tax estimation, you will need to provide the following: an estimation of annual taxes due in addition to the amount already being paid, the balance due, and the additional amount being paid. Even if you don't owe taxes, you may still be required to file a tax return. If you can't file your return by the deadline, filing an extension can help you avoid failure to file penalties. How do you file the form? You can file Form 4868 either by mail or electronically. Mail filing is free. Check the link in the description below this video to find out specific mailing addresses depending on your home state and whether or not payment is to be sent with the form. If you're an individual filing electronically, you can use Free File to electronically request an extension. There is no income limit to using this IRS extension software. There are also additional e-filing solutions available as well. Filling out everything you need for your taxes can seem overwhelming, but we're here to help and simplify. To download your own Form 4868 tax extension form and other forms, click the link at the end of this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more.